Drone larvae honeycomb extract. Bashkir floral honey, freeze-dried drone larvae honeycomb extract, freeze-dried wax moth. Bashkir floral honey-based mixture with freeze-dried drone larvae honeycomb extract and wax moth is made by an authentic recipe. Drone larvae honeycomb extract improves physical activity and metabolism. It contains B-carotene, amino-acids, B vitamins, highly digestive vitamins E, A, D. Freeze-dried wax moth is non-toxic, well-preserved and doesn't have side effects. Due to freeze-dry technology, it preserves all the healing properties. Suggested usage: take 1 teaspoon of mixture 3 times a day prior food. Our mixture can be used as an adjunct treatment for metabolism disorder, infertility, prostatitis, prostate adenoma, sexual disability, flu, hormonal disorder, anemia, high blood pressure, atherosclerotic vascular disease, endocrine system disorder.